Hey, how y'all doing today? Guess what? Hey, got this in the mail today. Before I do this, I'm gonna turn this down. I was watching the inauguration for Joseph Biden and Kamala Harris. Okay, they just got sworn in earlier today. So enough of that. Let me turn this down. You don't need to be hearing that right now. They got it under control now. Yep. And your boy never showed up. Oh well. Hey, it is what it is. Teacher's own. Okay, I want to share with you guys what I got. You know, I purchased this, but guess what? I'm not gonna do nothing with this now. I just want you all to see it. Got it on my Amazon. You know, I fill it up Amazon. I normally do things like this. Treat myself with something. You know what I mean? Let me move this box out of the way. Let me move this box out of the way. Boxes everywhere, everywhere. Okay. Let me give you all I'll give you all a view of it. Right about. Okay. Ooh, look at it. Okay. 4DRC comes in a case. 4DRC comes in a case. It's a drone, y'all. If you didn't know, now you know. It's a drone, okay? Okay, it comes in a case. Look at it. You see, it comes in its own case. Look at it. Okay, this is my first time ever, you know, getting my own personal drone like this. I had a cheap one once upon a time. Look at it. It comes in the plastic and everything, the whole 9 yards. Okay, look at it. It comes in this beautiful box. Okay, don't worry. I'll put the link in the description box for you. Okay. It's gonna be the beginners. I'm a beginner. I am a beginner. Let's see what all we got in here. See what we got? You got the drone. Okay. You got the blades. Okay. It came with 2 batteries. Okay. You could use a regular charger. Okay. As you can see, let me let you guys see. Focus. You could use a regular charger, Android charger. See that? You can see that, the fitting right there for your cell phone. Same type of charger. Fits in the same way. Nice. Okay. Got this. Let me get this out. There it is. It's the foldable one. It's a little small one. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy. Folds out like this. There you go. I'm going to fly it one. I'm going to get some pointers first. You know what I mean? It's a little miniature one. You know what I mean? Look at it. Okay, got the power button up top. Okay, came with, like I said, it came with 2 extra batteries. Okay, see that slides right in here. Boom, boom, boom. Got my camera in here, see? My camera could go up and down. Got my camera. Okay, let me rest this on the side here. Let me take out one of these batteries. Okay, that's one of the batteries. Remember I told you guys, look, see? See? You could use your regular charger on your cell phone if you have that same connect. Because my cell phone, it has the C Connect. You know, for some reason I got a C Connect. My cell phone has. This is an Android, so don't matter. I got 2 of these batteries. Okay. I didn't even get a chance to read up on it to see how long the battery lasts or whatever. But guess what? It's under $100. Okay. Under $100. There's the remote control. Okay. It has the piece within it. Okay. It comes with, let me see what kind of battery. Okay. You got the AAA batteries. Okay, I normally get the rechargeable ones. Okay, that there I can put the rechargeable ones. I get some more. I got some. I want to get some fresh ones, so I'll just go to Walmart or whatever. I just might go because I'm an affiliate of Amazon. Did I mention that? I just go on Amazon and get me some rechargeables. You know what I mean? You know, I just do that. And you got the. I'm trying to see if I can figure this out. Yeah, you open this up. Okay, this expands to the size of your phone. Okay, this expands to the size of your phone, and that's your screen. Okay, put your screen right there. It's really pretty good. Yeah, you know, reasonably priced. You know, did I mention I'm gonna put the link in the description box? I'm gonna put the link in the description box. I'm gonna rest everything right here. I'm gonna start. What I'm gonna do is, while I'm doing this, I might as well put one of these to charge. I'm going to charge one of these. Go ahead and charge one. I got time to do that. I'm not going to rush to do that. I can charge that anytime as soon as I'm finished with this video. Okay, and they say this is the beginners. It gives you a manual here too. As you can see, is the DF6. As you can see, the DF6, the 4DF6, the 4DF6. Let me correct that. Okay, 4DF6. It's a beautiful thing. I'm telling you, I'm gonna go through this before I fly this. I'm gonna go through this and check it out for myself. Okay, they give you this. Okay, let's see. Thank you very much for your support. For purchasing the 4DRC. Okay, the whole 9 yards. I'll just go ahead and check that up. They're probably giving me something. I gotta go read up onto it. Now I got extra blades here. They give you extra blades. Okay. Remember, I'm gonna put the link in the description box for you guys. You know, if you wanna grab one of these, mine comes in a case. You know, I don't know if that, you know what I mean? I'm still putting the same link. Okay, I got the recharges. See, like I tell you, see, like I told you. See that? Look at it. The same as your phone. You know what I mean? If you have that particular Android. Okay. Now, seeing that I am a beginner, I'm not afraid to say that. I got my extra blades here. You know, propellers. I got extras. Okay. But before I do that, I'm going to put these here, the guards. You know, these little guards. You stick them right in the corners. I'm going to use those, man. I'm going to use these. I don't care. You know what I mean? Because, hey, it is what it is. I'm a beginner. They say it's supposed to be user-friendly. It locks at a certain altitude. You could lock it. It says it does all these tricks. It does flips. It does, you know what I mean? I didn't read up on it, but I just wanted to... Seeing that I'm opening up the package, I just wanted you guys to see what I got. Okay? Now, seeing that I have this, I'm just going to go ahead and charge one for right now. And then get it going. It had a little juice. See, I stick the battery, stick the plug into the battery, and you see it had a little bit of juice in the battery. It always give you a little bit of juice. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to give it a full charge. Okay? Because this is not a full charge. Okay, I'm just going to disconnect this, put this here, and once you put it in there and start charging, the light goes out, boom, it's charging, it's supposed to blink, and when it reaches the full potential, then it's going to shut itself down. It does that, just like how your phone does. It does all that. If it don't, guess what? They just have to give me a new one, another one. Okay. There it is, all in a nutshell. And I don't want to take too much of your time. I just want to finish watching this inauguration right here. I want to finish watching this, but guess what? I'm watching it live. So I just wanted you guys to see. I got this for under $100, and I mean reasonably priced. And then guess what? It's beginners. It's for the beginners. Like you and I, if you're a beginner, I'm a beginner. You know what I mean? This is a good purchase, okay? And like I said, under $100. I'm telling you, man. You know what I mean? And like I said, I'm an affiliate of Amazon. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the link to this in the description box. Go ahead and cop that, man, while you get a chance. While the money is good, you know what I mean? While the buying is good, get that, man. Get that. Don't be afraid. Don't hesitate. You know what I mean? It's not that expensive. It won't break the bank. You won't break the bank. You know what I mean? You won't break the bank. Trust me. You'll be all right. Okay? So go ahead and do that. Like I said, I'm going to put the link in the description box. And then when I fly it, you know what I mean? You know what? This is too much for me, man. When I fly it, let's do this. Let's say this. When I fly it, I'll let you see the parts I want you to see. Okay? You know, I'm not going to let you see when I plant it in the grass. Okay? So, with that in mind, you guys, y'all take care of yourself. And remember to be COVID safe, okay? Be COVID safe, okay? Remember, you're doing it not just for yourself, you're doing it for family. Some of you got your grandmothers at home, you got your elderly parents, you know what I mean? Keep away, you know what I mean? The immune system is not like ours, you know what I mean? You have to keep away and respect the distance, okay? If you love them, you'll give them the distance. Air hug, you know what I mean? Love you, Nana. Love you, Grandma. Air hug, okay? Y'all take care, and I'll see you guys real soon. And let me go play with this toy a little bit. You know what I mean? Let me do some reading, okay? And then I'll see y'all and show y'all a little tidbit when I fly, okay? I might show y'all a little mess up. Not all, okay? Or join my Patreon if you want to see the full video. I'm just kidding. Don't worry. I'm going to look out for you guys. Y'all take care. Remember, the link to this is going to be in the description box. In the description box. In the description box. Okay? I'm not even going to edit that. In the description box. Okay? Go ahead and copy it. And like I said, I'm an affiliate of Amazon. A lot of stuff I buy, I don't post them. But guess what? I'm going to start posting the other stuff. Okay? Y'all take care. I'll see you guys real soon. Let me watch this. Okay? Get out of here. I'm out.